9 items of clothes, 25 outfits. And yes, pack light and smart is possible. I'll give you a tip on how to perfect your capsule wherever you're going. I'm very excited about my upcoming Colombian 5-day journey. So for this trip, I'm planning to pack light, not as I do usually, but I just want to take my carry-on with me and just not to wait for my luggage and just go straight to the hotel to meet with my girlfriend. For this purpose, I have 1 carry-on, 5 days, 5 daily outfits during a day, 5 maybe outfits for the beach, and then 5 outfits for the dinners. So for my capsule, that what I prepared here is 4 bottoms, 5 tops, 2 hats, 2 swimsuits, and 2 bags. Before you even start to think about clothes and what to bring, check the weather. I did some mistakes in the past when I didn't check the weather, even if I knew the climate, and I was completely wrong with my outfits. So I really recommend to check the weather so you bring everything you need for rainy days or for snowy days or for hot days. This is the most important part on creating what you want, how you want, and in what colors you want. So I just ask you to close your eyes and imagine yourself, where you're going, where you're staying, how you look, what is around you. So I'm going to Colombia. I am already pretending myself being by the ocean, drinking coconuts, staying by the pool, going to tropical forest. So I'm already in that palette I really saw before creating even everything you see right now in front of you. Red colors, blue colors, and white colors. With that, I'm gonna work next. Every time I go to vacation, seriously, I want to bring all clothes because for me, it's like never enough time to wear all clothes I have. But for this purpose, where your mood board comes to help you, go to Pinterest and starting catching those colors palettes. So for me, I tied crochet skirt and then I saw different inspiration and I started going and just like taking all inspo, and then I typed like Colombia outfits, Colombia beach outfits, Colombia beach vibes, wherever it just like comes on your mind, what can be helpful. So all essentials you put on the mood board. I have a lot of clothes, but again, I just tell it with no guilt anymore unless I wear all my clothes. If you're watching me and you have the same, not problem anymore for me, but maybe for you, I just tell you, just wear all your clothes. So then you don't have to feel guilty. And then, as I have a lot of clothes, I have to focus, and mood board helps me to focus and just create the outfits I need. I recommend to start to pick your bottoms. For me, it's white shorts, red skirt, dress I consider as a bottom because you can wear it with different tops and also wear without a top, linen white leg pants, because remember, it's going to be hot. When you start choosing tops, go one by one. So for example, I take this tank top and then I just see, does it fit all my bottoms? And here I am. It goes with shorts, it goes with pants, it goes with skirt, and it goes with dress. So it's already 4 outfits. Same you do with t-shirts, blouses. Basically, each my tops goes with every bottom. So you have to make sure it really goes with each other. Same with my bags that I'm taking, it also goes with every bottoms and with every outfit, with each outfit. Same with my shoes. I'm taking 2 pairs of shoes, 1 Birkenstock sandals and 1 pair of black flip-flops, and the shoes I'm wearing on the airport, and that can be useful in case we go on a hike in the tropical forest. This full outfit is how I go to airport. So with these additional pieces, I can create even more outfits and everything goes with each other. So I even can create not 25 outfits, maybe like 30, because imagine these goes with each of my bottoms, so maybe like 34 outfits. But there's even more because you can mix and match your shoes, you can mix it with bags and also accessories. So I'm taking hats that also goes with everything, and I go 1 pair of sunglasses and it also goes with everything. To pack very smart, I'll be rolling my clothes instead of folding. So it will also help me to avoid to create wrinkles, and I will also use pack cubes, so everything looks organized and separate from my shoes. And there you have it, my stylish capsule wardrobe for a 5-day Colombian adventure. Packing light doesn't mean sacrificing style. And by checking the weather, defining my style, and creating a mood board, I can confidently create versatile outfits. After all, fashion is all about self-expression, so I'm going to have a blast with it. And if you found this video helpful and enjoyed coming along on my packing journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and style tips. I'm off to Colombia, and until next time, stay fabulous.